to remember it with the name. है ना? Now what we have to do? We have to make it something challenging. How is that? Suppose it's Nilima ma'am. She said, yesterday I went to the market and bought some brinjals. Then she will name any person from the group. Yes, Rekha ma'am. Then she will repeat the sentence adding one vegetable. So you have to tell the opposite side's name. Okay? So is it possible to remember the name there? It is something challenging. Okay, let's start.
Yesterday I went to the market and brought some brinjals.
Correct. Yeah.
Yesterday I went to the market and bought some brinjals
Any vegetable? Yes. Anything. Yes. Then name any person. Rekha ma'am. Very good. Yes.
Fenugreek.
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 No. You had not listened that. Yes. Speak loudly. Yesterday. Some. No. Yes. What she has told, which vegetable she has told. Have you forgotten? Can anyone please help?
Brinjal.
And what Surekha ma'am said?
Fenugreek.
Fenugreek leaves. And add one vegetable. And potato. And name any person please. Name any person from the group. Yes. Come on fast. Don't take the time.
Name.
Yes. Fast. Name any person. It is a match fixing. It is a type of match fixing. Yes, come on fast. Rekha ma'am. Maya ma'am. Yes. Yesterday,
I went to
market.
and brought some vegetables, brinjal, fenugreek, potatoes, and pumpkin.
Name any teacher please. Fast. Manjusha. Yes. Manjusha ma'am. Yesterday.
I went to the market, brought some vegetables, brinjal, potatoes, and
Okay. Yours.
Pumpkin.
And
Radish.
Name any teacher fast. We have to play it fast. Asha ma'am. Yes.
yesterday I went to the market and brought some vegetables, brinjal,
First what doing this? Fenugreek.
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 pumpkin and
Some cucumber. What she? Please don't talk. Yasmin ma'am, please don't talk and listen to her carefully. The series was very disturbing. You have
Yes,
to
yes.
maintain the series. The name of vegetable was correct, but the series was very disturbing. Please repeat one chance for me. Ah, potatoes
Pumpkin.
and cucumber. Yes, name any person please. In action. And onion. Name any person fast. You have to play this game very fast. Kiran ma'am. Yes, Kiran ma'am.
Yesterday I went to the market and bought some brinjal, fenugreek, potatoes, pumpkin, radish, cucumber, and onion, and tomatoes.
And tomatoes. And name any person, please.
Josna.
Josna name.
Yesterday I went to the market. Bought some vegetables.
Josna ma'am, Manjusha ma'am, listen.
Brinjals, fenugreek, potato, pumpkin, radish,
Cucumber.
onion, tomatoes, lettuce.
Very good.
And ladies finger.
So what we had practiced in this game, first one is the grammar structure. With grammar structure we had practiced past tense. How
Past
to use
tense.
the past tense.
How to use
है ना?
the
जैसे
past
just we
tense?
had said bought. What we had practiced bought yesterday and bought.
Bought.
How to use the past tense. And what other grammar practice we had the name of vegetables. Nouns we had how to use the name of vegetables. These things we had practiced. Do you enjoy this game?
Yes.
Now my question is that how you are going to arrange this activity in your class. You can arrange this activity by changing according to class, according to their standards, you know, according to the vocabulary of your students, anything else. So can you please tell me? Yeah, stay. Yes. Can you please give an example, please? Very good. Tomorrow I will go to the market and buy some. Very good. Nice. Class for Surekha ma'am, please. We can practice here any tense. And you can change for the tenses. Repeat tenses. And how you can make the game challenging. Suppose it is very difficult to our students to memorize all the names. So what we can do then?
We make some
Yeah.
little groups.
We can make some
Small groups.
a group of 5 students, a group of 6 students, and let them ask to play this game. You know? And how we can change more? What changes you want to make this in this game? Yeah. Yeah.
And then we count the picture one side and then start the game.
Okay. For the lower standards, it is very good, I think. You know? First, we will use pictures.
Flashcards.
Teacher will ask students to use the pictures for the name.
Vegetable. We receive pictures.
Okay.
So we use the card first and then we not use the card.
First, in the first step, we will use the card, and in the second step, we practice the game without cards. It is a nice idea also. What about you, Manjusha ma'am? How you are going to arrange this activity? Are you going to change something? Is there any idea? You can use your own ideas also. Yeah? Yes? Explain whatever. Are you going to arrange this activity as it is? Or is there any change do you need? Okay, think for 1 or 2 minutes. Nilima ma'am, what about you?
When I go to my classroom, that time I try to give their school bags theme. Pen, pencil, notebook, books, eraser, sharpener, and then I will start this game.
What about you, Surekha ma'am? What you are telling that the parts of body? What was that idea? Hand and head like this. We can use this activity for memorizing the name of our parts of body. Hand.
Name of spot, name of tree,
Ah.
parts of tree,
We can
name of tree, name of flower.
We can make this fruit basket also. We can make it just we are practicing vegetable basket. So we can change it to fruit basket. We can change it to parts of body, whatever it may. But there we have to take care about the grammar practice also. If you are practicing a sentence, the students should practice very well. What was the today's sentence? Yasmin ma'am? And don't use I again. Yesterday I went to the market and bought and bought some vegetable. Bought or brought? Bought or brought? Bought. In the market, we bought something. After buying, we brought it to home. है ना? After buying, we brought
Buy,
it to home.
bought, brought.
हाँ, bring. Past tense of bring is brought, and buy is bought. Can you please tell me the spelling of
Buy,
bought?
bought.
B-O-U-G-S-T. That is the bought.
Bought.
So, can anyone please repeat the sentence once again, loudly? Yes, Josna ma'am.
Yesterday, I went to the market and
Bought some vegetables.
vegetables.
And bought some vegetables. Are you okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Let's move in the class.